Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss about algebraic expression and identities. Students, today I am going to discuss that how to add of algebraic expressions, how to subtract, how to multiplication and how to division of algebraic expressions. And you already have some idea of how to add and how to subtract of algebraic expression because you have done in class 7. But today I will discuss about this also. So first of all I am going to discuss about addition of algebraic expressions. Addition of algebraic expressions. Suppose we have to add add 6a plus 8b minus 5c, 2b plus 2c minus 3a and a plus 2b. So we have to add these three expressions. So at first we have to write the expressions in this way, that 6a plus 8b minus 5c plus 2b plus 2c minus 3a plus a plus 2b. Now we have to remove these brackets. So it will be 6a plus 8b minus 5c plus 2b plus 2c minus 3a plus a plus 2b. Now after this you can solve it directly or you can arrange these terms. So at first we must arrange the terms of a. So it is 6a and minus 3a plus a. After this we must arrange the terms of b, so that here it is 8b plus 2b and again plus 2b. Then we must arrange c, so minus 5c and plus 2c. Now we have to calculate. After this we have to calculate. So here 6a minus 3a. So 6a minus 3a is 3a and 3a plus a is 4a. Again 8b plus 2b, 10b and plus 2b, 12b. And now minus 5c plus 2c is minus 3c. I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to discuss that how to subtract of algebraic expressions. So subtraction of algebraic expressions. Subtract 4a plus 6b minus 2c from 5a minus 2b plus c. So the problem is subtract 4a plus 6b minus 2c from 5a minus 2b plus c. So at first you can see that this must be subtract from this. So at first we have to write 5a minus 2b plus c. Then we have to put the negative sign and then we have to write 4a plus 6b minus 2c, because we have to subtract 4a plus 6b minus 2c from 5a minus 2b plus c. So that is why we have to write this one first and then put a negative sign and then this one. Now after this we have to remove the brackets. So here 5a minus 2b plus c, and then here the three terms are after this minus sign, that means negative sign. So when we remove this bracket we have to multiply the signs also. So here 4a means plus 4a, so plus multiply minus is minus 4a. It is plus 6b, so plus multiply minus is minus 6b, and it is minus 2c, so minus multiply minus is plus, so it is plus 2c. So students, always remember, when you remove the bracket after negative sign, the sign must be changed. Now we have to arrange this one. You can arrange this one or you can solve it directly. So I will solve it directly after this. So here 5a minus 4a. So 5a minus 4a is a, and then minus 2b minus 6b. So minus 2b minus 6b is minus 8b, and plus c and plus 2c. So plus c plus 2c is plus 3c. I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to discuss about multiplication of algebraic expressions. Multiplication of algebraic expressions. The problem is find the product. 4x plus 9 multiply x minus 6. 4x plus 9 multiply x minus 6. Now 4x plus 9 multiply x minus 6. So at first, students, we have to multiply 4x with x minus 6 and then 9 with x minus 6. That means 4x multiply x minus 6 and plus 9 multiply x minus 6. I repeat it again. Then at first we have to multiply 4x with x minus 6 and then plus 9 with x minus 6. So that is why I have written 4x multiply x minus 6 plus 9 multiply x minus 6. Now after this we have to multiply 4x with x and 4x with minus 6. So 4x multiply x. So 4, here only x is here, so there is no number, so 4 will be there, and x multiply x is x square. I repeat it again, that x minus x, that means x multiply x is x square. Again it is negative sign. Now we have to multiply 4x with 6. So 4 multiply 6 is 24 and x. Again we have to multiply 9 with x and 9 with minus 6. So 9 with x is 9x and 9 multiply minus 6. So here it is plus 9 and it is minus 9. So plus minus minus 9 multiply 6 is 54. So students, always remember that plus multiply plus is equals to plus, plus multiply minus is equals to minus, minus multiply plus is also minus, and minus multiply minus is plus. So when multiply the same sign it will be plus, and when we multiply the opposite sign then it will be minus. So students, always remember this one. Now after this, 4x square and minus 24x plus 9x. So minus 24x and plus 9x. So here these two sign are opposite signs. So we have to subtract these two numbers. So 9 subtract 24. 24 subtract 9 is 15. 15x. Here negative sign is larger, so that's why we have to put the negative sign and minus 54. So 4x square minus 15x minus 54 is the answer. I hope you understood. Now I will show you another one. Find the product. X square minus 3x plus 7 multiply 2x plus 3. So x square minus 3x plus 7 multiply 2x plus 3. Now students, at first we have to multiply x square with 2x plus 3, then minus 3x with 2x plus 3 and plus 7 with 2x plus 3. So we have to write in this way: x square multiply 2x plus 3, then minus 3x with 2x plus 3 and then plus 7 with 2x plus 3. I hope you understood. Now after this we have to multiply x square with 2x and x square with 3. So x square multiplied 2x is 2x cube, because x square multiply x is x cube, plus 3 multiply x square is 3x square. Again it is negative sign, so minus, and it is plus 2x. So minus multiply plus is minus, and 3 multiply 2 is 6, and x multiply x is x square. Again it is minus 3 and it is plus 3. So both are in opposite sign. So minus multiply plus is minus, and 3 multiply 3 is 9 and x. So minus 3x and plus 3, when we multiply it, it will be minus 9x. Again plus 7 multiplied 2x is 14x and 7 multiplied 3 is 21, because both are positive. So plus multiply plus is plus. Now after this we have to calculate. Now it will be 2x cube, and here 3x square minus 6x square. So both are opposite signs, so we have to subtract this. So plus 3x square and minus 3x square is minus 3x square. Again minus 9x and plus 14x. So these are opposite signs, so we have to subtract 9 from 14. So minus 9x plus 14x is plus 5x and plus 21. So 2x cube minus 3x square plus 5x plus 21 is the answer. Now students, I am going to discuss about division of algebraic expressions. Division of algebraic expressions. So to divide some algebraic expression, we must remember one formula, that is x to the power m divided x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. X to the power m divided x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n, and it is only applicable if the bases are same. Both are x but the powers are different. Okay, so then we can write x to the power m minus n, and sometime it will be written like this, that x to the power m by x to the power n is equals to also x to the power m minus n. So x to the power m by x to the power n means x to the power m divided by x to the power n. So x to the power m by x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. Now I am going to show you an example that how to use this formula. Divide 8x square y cube by minus 2xy square. So at first we can write these numbers like this: 8x square y cube by minus 2xy square, because we have to divide 8x square y cube by minus 2xy square. So here at first we have to divide 8 and 2 because you can see that here numerator is 8 and denominator is 2. So if we divide 8 and 2 by a common number, that is 2, so 8 divided by 2 is 4 and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now after this we can write it like this, that it will be minus 4 because numerators are plus and denominators are minus, so plus multiply minus is minus, and we have to write 4. Then here x to the power 2 and x to the power none. X to the power none means x to the power 1. Okay, it is only x, that means x to the power 1. So here we can use this formula, that x to the power m by x to the power n is equals to x to the power m minus n. So here we can write x to the power 2 minus 1 because m is 2 and n is 1. Similarly, you can see that y to the power 3 and y to the power 2. So that means it is m and it is n, and the bases are same because both are y. So we can use that we can use this formula. So y to the power m by y to the power n, that means y to the power m minus n. So that is why we can write 3 minus 2. Now minus 4, x to the power 2 minus 1 is x to the power 1, that means x, and y to the power 3 minus 2 means y to the power 1, that means y. Need not to write 1. Need not to write 1 as power. Okay, x to the power 1 means 1 and y to the power 1 means y. So minus 4xy is the answer. I hope you understood. Now I am going to show you another one. Divide minus 15 x cube y square z cube by minus 5 xy z. Now after this we must write that minus 15 x cube y square z cube by minus 5 xy z. Now at first here you can see that minus multiply, both are minus, so minus multiply minus is plus, and we can divide 15 and 5 by a common number, that is 5. So 15 divided by 5 is 3 and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Now minus minus is plus, so we can write 3, and here x to the power 3 is numerator and denominator is x, so we can write it x to the power 3 minus 1. Again numerator is y square and denominator is y. So we can write it y to the power 2 minus 1. Here again numerator is x to the power z to the power 3 and denominator is z. So we can write z to the power 3 minus 1. So it is 3. X to the power 3 minus 1 is 2 and y to the power 2 minus 1 is 1. So need not to write 1 as power, and z to the power 3 minus 1 is 2. So 3x square y z square is the correct answer. I hope you understood, students. Now I am going to show you that division of a polynomial by a polynomial. So divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. The problem is divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 1. So here 2x square plus 3x plus 1 is a polynomial and x plus 1 is also a polynomial. So we can divide it like this. X plus 1, so we have to write x plus 1 as divisor and 2x square plus 3x plus 1 as dividend. So here dividend is 2x square plus 3x plus 1 and divisor is x plus 1. Now at first we have to find 2x square by multiplying something with x. I repeat it again. At first we have to multiply with x something to find 2x square. So if we multiply 2x with x, then it will be 2x square. But we have to multiply 2x with 1 also, because x plus 1 is a polynomial. So when we need to multiply 2x with x, then we have to also multiply 2x with 1. So 2x multiply x is 2x square and 2x multiply 1 is 2x. And students, always remember, we have to write the similar term. We have to write the terms below the similar term. I repeat it again. We have to write the terms below the similar terms. So here it is 2x, so we have to write below 3x. Now after this we have to subtract. So to subtract we need to change this sign. So it is plus 2x square, so it will be minus, and it is plus, so it will be minus. Okay, I repeat it again. We have to subtract these numbers, these terms, so we need to change this sign. So it is plus, so it is changed to minus, and it is also plus, so it is changed to minus. Now plus 2x square and minus 2x square will be cut. Then plus 3x, it is plus 3x and now it is minus 2x. Plus 3x and minus 2x, it is x, and the remaining number is plus 1. Now we have to find x. So here it is also x, so we have to multiply 1. So x multiply 1 is x, and we have to also multiply 1 with 1. So 1 multiply 1 is 1. Okay, so therefore quotient is 2x plus 1. I hope you understood, students. Okay, so here students, you can see that after finding x plus 1 we need to subtract. So it is plus x, so it will be minus, and it is also plus, so it will be minus. So it will be plus x multiply plus x minus x is 0, and plus 1 minus 1 is 0, so remainder is 0. Okay, so here quotient is 2x plus 1 and remainder is 0. I will show you another one. Divide x square minus 4x plus 4 by x minus 2. So at first we have to write x minus 2 as divisor and x square minus 4x plus 4 as dividend. Now we have to find x square by multiplying something with x. So if we multiply x with x minus 2, then it will be x multiply x is x square and x multiply minus 2 is minus 2x. After this we have to subtract. So to subtract we need to change the sign. So it is plus x square, so it will be minus, and minus will be plus. Now after this, plus x square and minus x square will be 0. So minus 4x plus 2x. Now it is plus 2x. So minus 4x and plus 2x will be minus 2x, and the remaining number is plus 4. Now we have to find minus 2x. To find minus 2x, we have to multiply x with minus 2. So we have to take minus 2 as quotient. So minus 2 multiply x is minus 2x, and minus 2 multiply minus 2. So minus multiply minus is plus, and 2 multiply 2 is 4. So if we change this sign, it will be plus. So minus 2x plus 2x is 0, and plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So therefore quotient is x minus 2 and remainder is 0. So need not to write the remainder is equals to 0. Okay. So here quotient is x minus 2. I hope you understood, students. Okay, students, so you must practice that addition, subtraction and multiplication and addition of algebraic expression at your home. Okay, thank you everyone.